Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick the very first tab, which is Wi-Fi and Internet. Now go to Hotspot and Tethering, which is just under data usage. And now tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot to activate it. So simply tap on this switcher to turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you will see the sign of it. And then you can also personalize it, so you can change the network name and also the password. So at first tap on hotspot name, and now simply by deleting the current one and entering a new one, you can change it, then tap on OK, and then you can update your hotspot password by tapping on it. Now you can see what your password is, and now you can enter a new one. Just remember that it must have at least 8 characters. And then tap on OK. Wait a short while until the changes are updated. And that's it. As you can see, your Wi-Fi hotspot is on. Now you can switch it off by tapping on this switcher. And if you will not switch it off, it will be automatically turned off after 5 minutes of inactivity. But you can also switch off this option, which is here. So then you will be able to turn it off only manually. So that's it. This is how you can use and share Wi-Fi hotspot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.